everyone, Michelle Alexandria coming at you with another video. Today I'm doing a very rare unboxing. And what is that unboxing going to be of? Ooh, Star Wars. We're talking Star Wars. So yes, this is the Skywalker Saga Collector's Edition exclusive box set from Best Buy. And the thing I really hate about pre-ordering stuff from Best Buy is those weasels. They charge your credit card right away, even when there's no release date. So I actually put my money down on this stupid thing like 2 or 3 months ago. So $300 of my money has been tied up with trying to get this box set. And I'm so disappointed because and I'm going to show you why in just a second. But originally, once I saw that this was the book format box set, I knew I wouldn't like it. I knew I probably wouldn't like it because normally they put the disc in the sleeves so tightly that you're bound to break them trying to get them out. You're either going to break the disc or break the sleeve. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the actual steelbooks anywhere on the Best Buy website because I would have rather bought the individual steelbooks as a collection instead of this. But this is what I have, and this video is going to take less than 3 minutes. It's going to be one of the shortest videos I've ever done, if you don't count this long one, the introduction, because there's nothing to this set. So, here's the set. See it? It feels really nice in your hand. You're all excited to get into it. And you're like, wow, this is pretty awesome stuff. I hate this little back thing, though. This back, it's just really cheap. It just feels really cheap. So you have this in the back, and I hate slipcases as a general rule, but then when you take the slipcase off, and that's the other thing, the slipcase doesn't really easily come off, so it's just, unless you unglue it right here, you see, there you go. So if you take the slipcase off, then there's no artwork on this box at all. What the hell is this? This is a $300 box, Disney. This is BS. Where's the artwork? You only have artwork right here, and it is beautiful. I love that artwork. But then you turn it over, what the hell is that? That is garbage. So if I wanted to look somewhat nice, I have to put this cheap piece of paper on top of it. And if I actually still had a Blu-ray bookshelf or something, I could set it up there, but it's not going to fit because it's just a weird, odd shape. So here, you take it out, and then I'm going to put that right there. So then you open the box up, like so. And again, it feels really stupid because you should be able to easily slip this off. Like, it should just easily slip off, but no, there's no catch there at the end, so you have to wiggle it around because it catches on this little thing. See this little piece right there? So when you unhook it, it catches there. So then you open it up, the other side. I do like the fact that there's the little pulley thing to easily get at your box. So you open that up. And I know you're expecting to see something wild, and for $300, I know you're expecting to see something more than what this is. But yeah, this is all you get. You get this, and for your much vaunted letter, here it is. This is the letter from Mark Hamill, and it's not even on white paper. It's on this weird kind of translucent kind of paper, so you can barely read it. But here, let me read it to you. And it says, "What an extraordinary journey it's been. Back in 1976, comma, when Carrie Harrison and I were testing for our roles in what was then called The Adventures of Luke Starkiller." Wow, that's a deep cut. I did not know that was the original name of the movie. Star Wars. It was actually called The Adventures of Luke Starkiller, as taken from the journal The Wheels, Saga 1, The Star Wars. What the heck is that? I don't know what that sentence even means. So let me repeat it. It's like, when and I were testing for our roles in what was then called The Adventures of Luke Starkiller, as taken from the journal of the wheels, Saga 1, the Star Wars. Oh my God, that is a horrible title. That is a horrible title. There's no way we could have known what a incredibly rich and imaginative set of adventures this obscure little space movie would launch, inspiring 8 more chapters to tell the entire Skywalker's story. For some of you, this is my first time reading this, people, so I'm trying to dramatize everything for you. And so, do you think I should be like a voiceover artist or audiobook reader or something? I do have the sexy voice for it, I think. Inspiring 8 more chapters to tell the entire Skywalker story. For some of you, that journey began with us over 40 years ago. 40 years inviting Star Wars into your lives. From the seats of just a few dozen theaters in the first days of release. For others, you may have joined us somewhere along the way, from the harrowing saga of young Anakin's descent to the dark side in the prequel trilogy, or the introduction of an entirely new generation of heroes in the sequel trilogy. As Carrie once said, Star Wars is about family, and that is what we have all become. One giant community that shares the common experience of these stories and the fundamental values they instill us. Except when Han shoots first, then they kind of change it all up for you. And then he says, whether you're a relative newcomer to the Star Wars galaxy or a long-time UPF, ultra passionate fan, don't even get me started on that. UPF, I call them the fanboys, idiots. But that's a new one. UPF, ultra passionate fan. All you people who hate Kathleen Kennedy, come on, she told Mark Hamill to say that. UPF people, UPF. I need a t-shirt that says Star Wars, UPF. And then it says, I am deeply thankful for your continued enthusiasm and dedication to George Lucas's faraway galaxy, which will continue to grow with new storytellers, building an even bigger galaxy filled with heroes, villains, action, romance, and of course, the Force. May the Force be with you always. Mark Hamill. There you go. That's your letter. That's your big feature that comes with the $300 freaking box set that is supposed to be the definitive collection of Star Wars. Are you kidding me, Disney? So when you open up the book, I really can't stretch a video out, can I? I'm like the makers of Square doing Final Fantasy. I could stretch stuff out if I want to. So here you have this. For some reason, I'm really salty about the fact that they put all the movies in order instead of in numbered order, instead of, you know, how they were released. So the first movie is going to be The Phantom Menace. I love this artwork, bro. This artwork is gorgeous. And then you have Attack of the Clones. Then you have Revenge of the Sith. One of the best final sequences in Star Wars history. Then you have A New Hope. And you can already see, like, this box set starting to, the book kind of peeling apart a little bit, even as I do this a little bit. You can already see it pulling. And I wonder if I can return this. I kind of want to return it because this is just flimsy. And then you have this for The Empire Strikes Back. Ooh, I love this. Return of the Jedi. And then, let's see. You have The Force Awakens. And I can't read the rest, so you're going to have to imagine. Then you have The Last Jedi. This. whatever this is, Rise of the Skywalker, and then you have the Phantom Menace. Wait, why is the Phantom Menace out of order? Well, you have bonuses. Oh, Phantom Menace is for the bonus disc. And then you have some more stuff here. So it's actually a nice booklet, but there's no way this booklet is going to hold up. So the problem with this is I'm only going to show you one disc. So you really have to see the disc is in here very tight. And I had to kind of open it up and pull the disc out, insert it a few times to loosen it up just a little bit, but you still got to grab at it to get it out. And eventually that's going to break. And then when you put it in, you can, I don't know if you can actually hear it, but you have to really shove it in to get it in. So if you do that enough times, you're going to break the disc. The discs are going to snap in half at some point. And that's why I hate this thing. And this is $300, people. For $300, this is all you get. You get this and some discs for $300. And it also included the digital code, and the digital code, it was really kind of half-assed, half-baked, because I expected to be able to input just one digital code and get all the movies. But no, I had to go and enter in 9 different digital codes to get all my digital movies. Over the next few days, I'm going to show you guys the bonus material on each one of these discs. So that'll give me about 5 days worth of content, at the very least. So yeah, Star Wars, the Skywalker Saga is now available as a Best Buy exclusive. And I'm really sick to death of Disney and their stupid Best Buy exclusives. It still kind of chats my butt that I wasn't able to get in on the whole Marvel Cinematic Universe 4K release, because it was just a Best Buy exclusive. So yeah, there it is. The Skywalker Saga.